Rolling empowers us to create infinite possibilities. And turn ideas into reality. Like your dream home. Furniture. Toys for kids. Or inspire your perception and motivate to explore future possibility. Ignite the spark of brilliant ideas from your daily life. Embrace a new beginning. And work out your desired shape. Keep challenging yourself. Don't give up. And keep rolling your life to be healthier and more energetic. Devote your passion and enjoy staying with your friends. Build your confidence and enjoy a happy life. What do you want? Let us be with you. Rexon, we have continued to roll for 50 years, and it's our pleasure to accompany you on the journey to achieve the future life you desire.
Again?
Rolling towards another 50 years. Rexon.